Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get and install secure folder on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. So simply you just open your store or Play Store, like I'm open my store, Galaxy Store, search here to secure folder. Then showing you to these apps. Okay, and need to install this. Okay, now successfully install secure folder. Press on to open. At first need to set up this. Continue to app, select language, press on done. Press on to allow. And create pin password. Confirm. Okay. Okay, now successfully set up my secure folder, and you can easily add any file, like I'm add photo. Okay, add more to select. Now add this. So that's it.